Nido Jr. Now with a new look for toddlers 1 year old, 2 years old, and up to 3 years old with probiotics and DHA. Nido Jr. The use of milk supplements must only be upon the advice of a health professional. The unnecessary and improper use of this product may be dangerous to your child's health.
Kain na!
Lunch.
Pagkabukas to
Ang amoy galing sa tirang Sebulok. New Joy with Power Bula.
Liit niya.
Wala sa laki, nasa bula. 10 patak ng Brand X versus 1 patak ng Joy. Joy with Power Bula, mas mabilis, mas mabula, at mas tanggal ang tirang Sebulok at lansa. Amoy malinis. New Joy with Power Bula.